Hello, this is Dr. Divya Raj Reddy, your international medical education expert. Today we'll be discussing about choosing universities, and definitely I would like to share with all of you that I myself am a graduate and a postgraduate and a PhD from abroad. So I would like to give some information about Zaporozhye State Medical University, which I am a graduate about, and most of the Indian students are studying in this particular campus, and there are many number of students who are selecting this campus. And today I thought that I should share some facts why you should choose this particular university, because the advertisement you have seen everywhere, that the advertisement part, social media part is different, but we strongly believe that seeing is believing, doing is proving. So that is the reason Zaporozhye State Medical University is always stood as one of the topmost educational establishments, especially to study medicine in Ukraine. So the first 5 reasons why you should choose this university is that, first of all, this is one of the autonomous central government university which is more than 100 years old at Ukraine. So such old university, and that too it has an autonomous status. So most of the students when they are going to Ukraine, they are thinking national university, state university, or some central government, it's more there is a lot of difference between national and state universities, but there is no particular such difference, because state and national belongs to government only. But there is definitely a difference between government university and autonomous central government university, and definitely Zaporozhye is a autonomous central government university. That is the reason it has a very high infrastructure, it has very good tie-ups with other universities, it has very good tie-ups with other countries. It is creating opportunity platform for UG and PG in dual programs with UK, Germany, Poland and other countries, and it is having its own simulation center, it's having its own projects like USAID project and Erasmus project and other additional projects, and it has number of multi-specialty clinics. University has its own multi-specialty transplant hospital, and also university has its own attached hospitals. So this all is due to the autonomous central government infrastructure. The second point I would like to tell all of you or share with all of you is the recognizations when you go abroad. So when you think about the recognizations, many people saying it's WHO recognized. If you go into the WHO website or even go through the WHO book, so WHO never ever recognizes, it just lists the medical schools. Its duty is to just like a directory to list the medical schools. Neither it regulates how the medical colleges are running, neither it will not regulate how it should give services to the medical students, whereas the medical councils regulate that thing. So Zaporozhye State Medical University is long ago listed in the WHO, in the IMED, in the FAMER and all these organizations. Apart from that, it is also recognized by the General Medical Council of UK, USA, Australia, and also the world's strongest medical board is the California Medical Board, and also of course the Medical Council of India in the IMC Act 1956. So when you are having such recognizations, the student has a multiple platforms from UG to PG to PhD. So this is one more positive point. And the third thing is the safety and security of a foreigner, especially Indian student when he is going abroad. This beauty of this particular campus is that it is a residential campus. Usually in other universities in Ukraine, what happens is that the hostel is in one part of the place, and the university classes are in one part. The student has to scatter all over the city to reach to the classes, to go to the hostel, and definitely there are security concerns. But Zaporozhye State Medical University is one of the best residential campus available in Ukraine, with more than 250 acres of infrastructure. And the hospitals, the university academics, the hostels, and the indoor stadiums, the libraries, everything, including the administration, supermarket, bank, everything is available in one particular campus, which makes beautiful infrastructure for the student to pursue his education. And the fourth thing, when the student is going abroad, definitely the education, the faculty is very important. Zaporozhye State Medical University has the highest experience in training Indian students. In fact, this is the first university where the Indian students started enrolling into medicine, and that is the reason they have the highest experienced faculty in English medium. So most of the universities started very late in training the Indian students with English medium of instruction, whereas Zaporozhye State Medical University is the first university which started training Indian students, and especially in the English medium of instruction. That's the reason the faculty and of course the infrastructure is very good at par as per MCI rules and regulations, so that the student from India will not have any problem regarding language. This is one of the concern. And the fifth thing is that how you are going to be prepared for your future exams, the postgraduate exams. Zaporozhye State Medical University creates a wonderful platform for preparing you for the FMG, that is the MCI curriculum, and also for the FLAP, for the USMLE if you want to go to the Germany. So they will be giving you the necessary platforms to do the UG and the PG. So this kind of reasons I think are very strong when you're choosing abroad. It's not only selecting some university and going. And the best part is that this is a very good affordable fee structure. It has a quality education with affordable fee structure, maintaining good ethical standards, and good transparency information is even given about the website. You can see the fee structure clearly given in the website, and we strongly recommend that the students pay the university fee directly to the university. So there is no other problems with which the student will have when he goes to abroad. He doesn't need to give the money in someone's hand. He doesn't need to worry about the recognitions. He doesn't need to worry about the safety and security. He doesn't need to worry about who is going to prepare him. He doesn't need to worry about the language. All these things are covered in this particular university. So I particularly am graduate of this university, and I am also working in the administration of this university, and I am also in my journey of guiding more than 1200 medicos, and I've already helped more than 3000 medicos to become into postgraduate doctors, and that is the reason I strongly recommend Zaporozhye State Medical University as one of the best platform for Indian students to do medicine.